Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And here is the making of the Outchea Partybox. So I just want to say I'm sorry it took so long for me to get this video up and running. I've had a crazy few weeks, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the behind the scenes of our summer party box and show what went into putting this together. So of course I'm up on our Cricut app trying to make my logo for the box. And this time I went with this really pretty yellow vinyl because I wanted it to feel like summer and for it to really pop out. So here I am in the Cricut app just adding my words, which of course is Partybox by V, and picking out different decorations that I wanted on the box. I did keep it pretty simple with just the lettering of the box as well as a few little squirrelies that I can't think of what they're called, but you'll see shortly. And so here, of course, is the Cricut cutting out. And these are the little squirrelies that I was talking about. They're like little hearts on a string. And I thought that was really cute because these boxes come from my heart to your home. And so, of course, here I am removing the excess vinyl. It's something about peeling the vinyl back that is so satisfying to me. So I go ahead and remove the excess vinyl, and then I just use my cutter to go ahead and cut off the part where I will be weeding and using to apply the words to my box. Okay, so here you see me using my transfer tape to go ahead and get the logo. And I went ahead, and even though it lifted up the V, I did end up moving it so that it was right underneath where it says Partybox by. I just thought it looked a lot better. And here I am adding on my little heart leaves, which is what I'm now calling them. Also on the right side, as you see, I'm using my transfer tape to apply them to frame the words Partybox by V. And I just thought it looked really clean, really cute, and the yellow popped so much against the stark white of the box. So I really loved how this came out, and I was so excited with the decorations of the box. Simple but classic. Now I am going to go ahead and etch my shot glass that's going to go in the party box. And you guys have seen me do this before. I actually have a full video on it, which I will link in the description box below. But I am using my stencil that says Partybox by V, adding it to the glass, and then applying my etching cream with a small paintbrush. Now, when you decide to etch glass, please don't be like me and wear gloves, safety first. Now, while the etching cream is doing its job, I'm going to go ahead and start to fill the box. So, of course, I'm using the confetti wrapping paper as a base, adding in these really pretty blue iridescent crinkle paper, and then we're going to start adding our items. So, of course, you see we have bubbles, we have hand sanitizer, we have sparklers, we have a couple of glow sticks, also a pack of cards. I also include a lighter so that you're able to light your sparklers. And here is how the glass came out. To add that to the box, I'm just adding a little bit more of this pretty blue crinkle paper, and I'm going to go ahead and slide it into this little Ziploc baggie, just to make sure that it is secure and it doesn't move around too much in the party box. I love how it's just simple little branding that shows who this shot glass came from. Once everything is added to the box, I go ahead and finish packaging it up, I add a little bit more of the crinkles on top just for filler and to make sure nothing moves around in the box at the top. And here is the completed Party Box by V. We Outchea Party Box. You guys, I think this is a great party box. It will add so much fun to any outdoor festivities that you're doing. And of course, you know, we all need just a little bit of being a kid again. So that's why I included sparklers and glow sticks and bubbles. And of course, you know, we love spades. So a pack of cards. So you just make sure that you order this box, you guys, because it's going to add a fun element to any get together that you guys are doing. And of course, if you guys wanted the shot glass to be customized, I can definitely do that with a name. And if you wanted to make this just a kid friendly party box, we could remove the shot glass. It is completely up to you. Just let me know. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think about the We Outchea Party Box. And let me know if you have any suggestions for any future party boxes that you guys would like to see me release. Thanks for watching this video. You guys, I'm so sorry it took me so long to get this video up, but I appreciate you for rocking with me. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and leave me a comment down below. Remember, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. Always keep creating. I love you guys. Bye.